In a short while, Luther and Diane. Diane ba? Luther and Diane will declare before us their permanent commitment to love and honor one another. In good times, in bad, in poverty and in plenty, in sickness and in health, for better or for worse. Till death do you part. Walang devotory dream. I welcome you all in this sacred and momentous event to witness the peace of love which Luther and Diane are to share in marriage. Let us be reminded that love is sharing ourselves with others. Love connotes several meanings. Love is always patient and kind. It is never jealous. Love is never rude or selfish. It does not take offense and is not resentful. Love takes no pleasure in other people's sins, but delights in truth. Love is always ready to excuse, to hope, and to endure whatever comes. Love does not come to an end. Okay, I'll ask some questions and you should answer truthfully. Sinasabi ko yun, kasi karamihan ngayon, puro kasi malingan na nangyayari. May I ask you to answer truthfully the following questions. Diane, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever for the love and service of your husband? Para official, gawin natin yes and good. Luther, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever for the love and service of your wife?
Yes, I do.
Since you wish to contract marriage, please join your hands and face each other. Kaharap kayo. And look at each other's eyes. Muna ko, tignan mo, ha? Oh. Diane, do you take Luther here present for your lawful husband?
Yes, sir.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, sir.
Medyo natigilan niya pa. Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, sir.
Oh, sa groom naman. To Luther, do you take Diane here present for your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
You accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
May I request the two of you to repeat after me? Ano ba sabihin ko? Repeat lang. We, Luther and Diane, hereby take
Hereby
and accept each other
and accept each other
as lawful husband and wife,
as lawful husband and wife,
and we give ourselves to each other
and we give ourselves to each other
to hold and to have,
all in one,
to be one heart,
in one heart,
one soul and affection,
one soul and affection,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and cherish each other
to love and cherish each other,
until death do us part.
until death do us part.
This is our solemn vow.
This is our solemn vow.
Sincere.
Amen.
Dito.
Sabihin mo ang pangalan niya, ha? Diane,
Diane,
with this ring,
with this ring,
I commit myself to you.
I commit myself to you.
Wear it as a sign of my love and fidelity.
For it is a sign of my love and fidelity.
Okay. O, si Diane naman. Luther,
Luther,
With this ring, I commit myself to you.
With this ring, I commit myself to you.
Wear it as a sign of my love and fidelity.
Wear it as a sign of my love and fidelity.
O, yung array natin. Meron ba?
Ay, wala po.
Eh, hindi, coins. Right coins, pwede na. O, sino ang may coins?
Meron.
Wait. Hindi, okay na ito. Oo, ikaw lang yung kami mo. Hindi, yung sa ibaba. Ikaw sa ibabaw. Peter sa ibabaw. Ano lang.
Lobat.
Dayan,
Then,
I give you these coins
I give you these coins
as a pledge of my dedication to your welfare and our children.
as a pledge of my dedication to you and our children.
Okay. Tiga. Luther,
Yes, sir.
thank you.
Thank you.
I accept the joys and responsibilities of raising a family with you.
I accept the joys and
Responsibility.
Responsibilities of raising a family with
of
you.
raising a family.
Sa inyong dalawa, at sa lahat ng naririto, by virtue of the power and authority vested in me by law, calling on all those present with your respective sponsors, parents, and witnesses, confirm the bond of marriage which Luther and Diane have contracted and pronounce you now as lawfully wedded husband and wife. Okay, you are now man and wife. Oh, pero siyempre, may symbolic tayo na gesture. Ano yun? Siyempre, kiss. Kiss of love.
Siyempre, kiss.
Diba? Oh, sige. Okay. Yan ang sasabihin natin na the kiss of peace. Peace. Peace be with you. Kung magkakagalit kayo, natural lang naman yun sa mag-asawa eh. Pero hindi dapat dibdibin yun. Okay.
Ito tayo maging
Yung ring na yan,
maalam.
may
Wala
symbolic meaning yan. Di ba? Ring, round. Wala naman ring na square eh, o rectangle, di ba? Ibig sabihin, it symbolizes endless love na ang inyong pagmamahalan ay walang katapusan. Di ba? Okay. Kung sakali lang naman na magkakaroon kayo ng hindi pagkakaintindihan dahil gwapo ka, maaaring may magkagusto sa iyo, mabalitaan nila yan, siyempre, third world war na yon. Ikaw naman, pag siya nakagraduate na, baka mabalitaan ka na mayroong doktor o dentista, medyo, tao ko siya nadaan siya, diba? Hindi mo pipigilan yun. May mga admirer, di ba? Hindi niya kasalanan yun. Hindi ka kasi ng magandang right. Yung mga ganon, na di-reserve pa sa paliwanagan. Pero kung minsan, yung simboyo ng damdamin, di ba? O tayo mga lalaki, narinig natin, uy, nakita mo yung misis mo, kumakain mo sa kantin, kasama yung doktor. Ito, jumping the conclusion. Siyempre, magkakasama sa hospital, they have to be friendly with each other, maaaring brotherly, sisterly, respect for each other. Okay, kung sakaling nagalit, hindi natin makukunin. Ha? At kung ano-ano ang sasabihin sa iyo, na hindi naman totoo. Huwag ka munang sumagot. Kaya mo lang siya. Palagpasin mo yung init ng ulo. Hindi naman ibig sabihin dahil hindi nangangatwiran.